This is activity 4.8, and for this activity we need a round bottomed flask, and if flask is not available we can take a beaker also. Then cold water, potassium permanganate crystal, which is a kind of chemical, spirit lamp, a tripod stand and lighter. Now this round bottom flask is already filled with water and we have to place it on the tripod stand. We will take a crystal of potassium permanganate and will place it inside the round bottom flask. And we will leave it for some time so that potassium permanganate will settle down. The purple color in the water is appeared because of the potassium permanganate. Now we will take the spirit lamp, we'll place it under the tripod stand and will light it. Now when you will light it, immediately you will start noticing that the purple color of the potassium permanganate had started rising up. Now this is not the color only rising up, basically it is the water which is rising up. Water near the bottom of the flask gets heated first. Warm water is lighter than the surrounding cold water, so it rises up. The colder water from the surroundings move down, gets heated and again rises up. This process continues until the entire water attains same temperature. So hope you will understand this convection process in liquids.